About 9 minutes to go for the match between India and Great Britain to end. The fight for the bronze medal is on. Our women's hockey team are giving it their all, but right now Great Britain is in the lead. It's at 4-3 currently. We're hoping against hope that India manages to score in the next few minutes, in which case it becomes a tie, and then will be a decider where you could perhaps see a penalty shootout. This has been a high-scoring game, both teams giving it their absolute all. It's been a thrilling game of hockey so far, and the next few minutes promises to be that as well. India has gotten a penalty corner now. Let's hope, Siddhant, that translates to a goal, in which case we've equalized again.
Well, Akshita, it's not good for our hearts. Of course, it's good for the neutrals. A thrilling encounter where the match has just gone from one team to another in terms of how the fortunes have changed. You talk about how Great Britain took a 2-0 lead, and then India scored the next 3 goals to go 3-2 up. And now Great Britain have scored the last 2 goals. And India had, by the way, conceded 3 penalty corners, consecutive penalty corners, and it was a 3rd penalty corner from which Great Britain scored. So as we know, Great Britain, they're the champions last time around at the Rio Olympics. They've been mounting a lot of pressure. Even after scoring this goal, they are not holding back. But hopefully this penalty corner, India can do something, can get something out of it. And then let's hope they can kick on from there, because if it goes to a penalty shootout, as I was talking about, it'll be a lucky draw. So hopefully everybody in the newsroom is celebrating, and now we know that India has scored.
Yeah, so it's equalized now, 4-4. Fingers crossed it remains this way. We score another goal, in which case we've taken the lead again. But our women are doing such a brilliant job. Great Britain took the lead there, but again holding our nerves. We've managed to convert another penalty corner to a goal, which means that right now it's at 4-4. That's the latest update that's coming in. This is really going down to the wire. There's no question of it. If you thought that the men's hockey team, that game was close, this one is even closer. Last quarter with everything to play for, and at this point we will in fact get an update. Siddhant, can you just tell us what exactly the score is? I think there's some confusion.
Well, Akshita, we jumped the gun. Everybody was celebrating in the newsroom as if we had won, we had scored the goal. But no, unfortunately, it's still 4-3, and Great Britain is still in the lead, Akshita. So, yeah. Let's hope though, there's still quite a bit of time left, and the way we scored those 3 goals, maybe we can at least score 1 or 2 goals so that we stay in the game. Because the campaign after the first disappointment of those 3 games in the group stages has just gone to another level for India. They've performed so well, but still going empty-handed, coming back here without a medal will be a huge disappointment for the Indian women as well as the country, because we know how well they have performed after those first 3 losses. And hopefully now I'll keep like yesterday, I kept my fingers crossed. Now I'll do this again, and hopefully they can score a goal at least, so that they can level it up and then take it to the penalty shootout.
This is very, very nerve-wracking. Let's hope that we score a goal. Very little time left on the clock. Let's hope that we manage to equalize right now. Apologies for that confusion. Everyone here in the newsroom is also very, very pumped up. We're watching the match so closely, and looks like a replay was mistaken for a goal by India. It's at 4-3 right now, so Great Britain still has the lead. We have not tied yet. Let's hope we manage to equalize very, very soon. I want to take this across also to Anisha Mathur and Aishwarya Paliwal. Anisha is tracking all the latest from Captain Rani Rampal's residence. We've also got Aishwarya Paliwal from Neha Goyal's residence. Let's take this across to Anisha first. Anisha, things are very, very tense right now. Minutes to go for the game to end. I'm sure Rani Rampal's family is watching with their fingers crossed, prayers on their lips.
Well, yes, Akshita, everyone around here has been watching with their prayers going all over. Everyone has been praying. We're at the house of Rani Rampal's next door neighbors. In fact, बाबूजी, आप परसों का मैच भी आपने रानी के यहाँ पे बैठ के देखा था. आज भी आप लोग सब बैठ के लग के मैच देख रहे हैं. क्या लग रहा है? आखिरी के 6.5 मिनट बचे हैं.
आखिर में ये देखो, हमने जो वहाँ पे देखा था, यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं. जो खेलने की भावना से हमारी लड़की बहुत अच्छा खेल रही है, बहुत ही अच्छा. देखो, बैक पीछे जाके फिर बराबर, फिर आगे, फिर ये 6.5 मिनट में कुछ भी हो सकता है. संभावनाएं बनी हुई हैं. तो जो मेन बात तो ये है, हार जीत तो चलो देखो एक सेपरेट थिंग है, लेकिन जो हॉकी देखने को मिली है वो तो हमें एक दर्शक के रूप में, एक इंडियन के रूप में हमें तो आनंद आया। हॉकी बहुत अच्छी देखी है, तो हम अभी भी ये तमन्ना,
बहुत अच्छे से पूरा प्रेशर बना के रख रही है इंडियन टीम, पूरी कोशिश चल जा रही है।
अभी भी हम ये आस रखते हैं, अभी ये दुआ भी करते हैं कि हमारी टीम जीते।
जी, क्या यहाँ पर अरदास अर्चना दुआएं सब चल रही हैं आप लोग की?
हाँ सभी चल रहे हैं।
So, Akshita, this was the next door neighbor and very close friends of Rani Rampal's family. You can see the family is watching quite tensely here. Everyone has been watching. The entire neighborhood has been watching the match since this morning. Rani's family, of course, has said that they will not be speaking to anyone till the match ends. And with just 5.5 minutes left on the clock, it's the last 5.5 minutes that the entire country will be holding its breath for, to see if India can equalize and take it to the penalty to the shootout stage, or if India can score 2 goals and clinch the win. Back to you.
Let's just hope so. 5 minutes stands between us and a bronze medal. 4-3. Great Britain has the lead right now. We need one more goal to equalize, in which case it goes into a penalty shootout. Then too, of course, it goes down to the wire. With 5 minutes to go, can the women in blue really pull it off is the question. Aishwarya Paliwal is standing by from Neha Goyal's residence. Aishwarya, I'm sure the mood is pretty much the same as it is across the country right now. I see people behind you also holding idols. I'm sure they're all praying right now that the next 5 minutes goes our way.
Well, more than prayers, Akshita, what's needed at the moment is a miracle, and all the family members are now in fact standing, and the number of idols have increased from one. Now both the people here standing even in fact, you know, the kids are now up on the chair. Everyone is just glued to the television. Prayers, tears, hope, everything, and definitely the wishes of the entire country with the team. आपको क्या लगता है कि आखिरी मिनट में गेम पलट जाएगा?
हमें पूरी उम्मीद है कि लास्ट टाइम में हम जीत जाएंगे। बिल्कुल उम्मीद है, लास्ट टाइम तक हमें उम्मीद रहेगी कि हम जीतेंगे।
इमोशनल हो रहे हैं,
धड़कनें तेज होती जा रही हैं, हो रहे हैं कि क्या होना है, लेकिन उम्मीद अब भी बरकरार है कि हम जीतेंगे।
बिल्कुल। कहीं ना कहीं आपको ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है कि
मैं भी चाह रही हूँ जीत जाए हमारे बच्चे, जीत पाएगी।
घबराहट हो रही
हाँ
है?
जी,
बिल्कुल घबराहट हो रही है, पल पल दिल की धड़कन तेज होती जा रही है, क्या होना है।
Relative finding it very difficult to speak. Emotions are running very high, and definitely, you know, they want the prayers of the entire country, and obviously the prayers of the God to be with their child Neha Goyal, but definitely with the entire Indian team. Back to you, Akshita.
Right, Aishwarya, things very, very tense right now all around us. The entire nation, billion prayers, wishes coming in. You can see the coach also there very aggressively screaming directions at the team, hoping that in the next few minutes we can manage to pull this off. We can manage to score 1 goal. We just need 1 goal to equalize, in which case it will become 4-all, and then we'll see a penalty shootout. Siddhant, there was a penalty corner which we hope to translate to a goal. That didn't happen. It will come down to the next few minutes. It's a lot to ask for. It's a tough task ahead for the girls, that in the next few minutes, 4 minutes or so, to equalize. Actually not easy, but not impossible.
Definitely not impossible, Akshita. That's what we showed when we scored those 3 goals in such quick time. And even yesterday, the Indian men's team pulled off those 4 goals in about 8 minutes. So definitely not out of the cards. Then we hope at least that these women can pull that 1 goal in the net for India, so that we can then go to a penalty shootout and hopefully win it from there. Because see, India has done extremely well, as I was talking about, from finishing last at the last Olympics in 2016 Rio Games. We finished 12th out of the 12 teams that were there. So from there to come here and perform the way we did after losing those first 3 group matches, it has been a real incredible comeback from this Indian women's side. So winning those 2 games, beating Ireland 1-0, beating South Africa 4-3, then beating world 3-time Olympic champion Australia 1-0, and then it was a very close game against Argentina. But still, Akshita, if that medal doesn't come, nobody will remember this in years to come. So for that, at least I was hoping, at least, and I'm still hoping, that these women can pull off something extraordinary right at the very end. Irrespective of whether they win or not, they have done incredibly well in this campaign, and they deserve a lot of credit. We know that Indian hockey is in the ascendancy right from the men's hockey to the women's hockey. You've seen how they performed here. So hopefully from here we'll only build on this development in the Tokyo Games and then probably take another medal at Paris 2024.
Look, they've got 2 minutes to go. I'm still going to keep my fingers crossed. I'm still hoping that we can score a goal. So I'm not going to concede just yet. Yes, they're all heroes for us, but a medal is something that we're all still hoping and praying for. 2 minutes to go. We could do it. You never know. You know, the women's team, if anything, have shown that they have the mettle. They can pull off a massive upset in the last minute as well, literally in the last minute. Anisha is still with us. She's joining us from Rani Rampal's house. Anisha, I can see that you two are very anxiously looking at the TV screens and watching the match. I completely understand. Very nerve-wracking times for all of us. Less than 2 minutes to go. Fingers crossed. I'm still hoping against hope we do this.
Well, yes, it's the score is 4-3 and we're in the last 1.5 minutes of the match. While I'm talking to you, the seconds are counting down and we're outside Rani Rampal's house. Well-wishers have also started coming in. We're being joined by the Shahabad MLA, Ramkaran Singh. Sir, आखिरी का 1 मिनट अब बचा है. क्या उम्मीदें लगाएं? मैं 4-3
देखो, अभी तो 1 मिनट के भगवान 1 मिनट में तो बहुत कुछ कर देता है. तो हमारी उम्मीद है, अभी 1 मिनट की उम्मीद है, कोई बात नहीं. हम आस रखा कि पहले भी रामपाल ने और जो हमारी लड़के से आप बड़ा नाम रोशन कराया. अब भी हमारा पिछली बारी जीते, हमारा पिछली बारी में नाम रोशन पूरे इंडिया का, पूरे हिंदुस्तान का, पूरे शाहबाद का, कुरुक्षेत्र का. हमारे को उम्मीद है अभी 1 मिनट में भगवान कुछ तो कुछ बदल देता है. हमारे को उम्मीद है.
और क्या सरकार की तरफ से क्या रहेगा? रानी रामपाल और बाकी जो खिलाड़ी हैं, इतने सारे खिलाड़ी यहाँ से निकले हैं. 3 खिलाड़ी शाहबाद के इस वक्त ओलंपिक टीम में है. क्या तैयारी?
मैं सरकार से कहूँगा, डिप्टी सीएम साहब से, सीएम साहब से कहूँगा, इनको अच्छी नौकरी, अच्छा पद दिया जा, ताकि डीएसपी या मतलब और भी जो इनका नाम बनता है वो डिप्टी सीएम साहब सरकार जोड़ देगी.
आगे अभी 3 लड़कियां शाहबाद की यहाँ ओलंपिक टीम में है. आगे खेल को बढ़ाने के लिए क्या कर रही है सरकार?
आगे खेल के बढ़ाने के लिए इनको जो आएंगी इनको मान सम्मान कर.
सिर्फ इन लड़कियों के लिए नहीं, अगले ओलंपिक के लिए भी टीम यहीं से तैयार हो, उसके लिए क्या
ये तो हमारी तैयार हो रही टीम, पहले भी तैयार है, अब भी तैयार है, पूरा टीम तैयार है. और पूरा खेल मंत्री जो हमारा है पूरी मेहनत करे, हम भी मेहनत करें, पूरा स्टेडियम पूरा तैयार है. कोई चीज़ भी मतलब छोटे नर्सरी से लेगा, और यहाँ हमने तो एक नर्सरी का भी एक बच्चों को खेल कर जो जगह ली है उसको तैयार करना है. ये मंत्री जी से बात हो रही, सीएम साहब से बात हो रही, डिप्टी सीएम से बात हो रही. ये छोटे बच्चे नर्सरी तैयार करनी है, हमने पूरी तैयार कर, फिर बड़ी उसमें जाना. ये हमारी तैयारी है. ये आपका पूरा हमारा.
Just the last few seconds remaining of the match, and Akshita, I'm going to toss it back to you to see where this match is going. Just the last few seconds left. Everyone around here is very, very tense. We can hear the neighbors shouting, in fact, at the screen with whatever is happening inside at this moment. Back to you.
Just a few seconds to go. Last 10 seconds to go for the match to end. And it's at 4-3, which means it looks like Great Britain will get the bronze medal. Whatever said and done, these girls out there on the field gave it their absolute all. That was seen there in the match as well. Great Britain is a